This is your first time here, you probably came across this video because you're looking how to landscape your front yard, you wanna get some ideas. And these Domingo design days, this is a series I put out every Sunday. I'm gonna give you out a DIY tip, a design tip, and a money saving tip. And I'm gonna break it all down in about 60 seconds. I do this through the designs that I create for people all over the country. And this one, we're gonna be right here in St. Louis, Missouri, my hometown. Let's do this first. I'm gonna show you the design, 15, 20 seconds. We'll come back here, I'll break down the tips, and I'll have you on your merry way. Why? Because it's Sunday, and if you're like me, you got lots of little stupid things to do on Sunday, like going to the grocery store and cleaning and laundry and things that we just all meh, but you gotta get out the door. So let's go look at the design, then we'll go. All right, we're back from the design. This is a very simple, modest home, but as you can see, it's got no love. Your design tip for this one is pull the beds out from the house. Don't just line them against the house. They used to do that all the time. It's super boring, not fun, it doesn't look good. If you bring them out, you put in some curves, it's gonna add a lot of character, and it doesn't take that much to do it. So that's number one. Tip number two is your money saving tip. Here's what I want you to do is pick a color, which I know sounds designy, but here's why you're gonna pick a color, because I'm gonna send you to a material supply store. What I want you to do is look at the different types of pavers that are out there, and you will find out, all right, this one's $3 a square foot versus this one being $7, but they look pretty similar, and this is the color palette I wanna go with. So maybe your budget is more towards the 3. If you go to the material supply stores with knowing your colors, I think you're gonna find that you don't waste a lot of time and you're gonna save a ton of money. Final tip is a DIY tip, and what I wanna do on this one is say, when you're packing in your plants, when you cut them out, pack them in some good soil. It doesn't cost much to get a couple of bags of garden mix or compost, pack them around there, break up the roots, make sure it's got something really nice and it's got a great chance right out of the gate. Water everything in, sweep your mulch or rock over, you're good to go. Is that 60 seconds? I don't really know, but I think I got close. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to click on this one. Since we talked about the front, I want you to go to the back. Go check out a video on how to landscape a backyard. It's got a lot of different tips and tricks like they all. And remember, I want you to keep up with me. So come back next Sunday for Domingo Design Day, pick up something new. And remember that creation is everything. So go out, create.